Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete ELSA Speak account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your ELSA Speak application from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the human icon at the bottom right hand corner. On the next page, tap on your name at the top. Tap on Edit Your Profile right under your name at the top. And now tap on Delete Your Account at the very bottom of the next page. Type in Delete Account in the text box and tap on Yes Delete. Click on Yes. In order to confirm your selection, you'll need to enter your password for ELSA Speak. Simply go ahead and enter the current password for your account and tap on Yes Delete, and your account deletion process will be completed. You'll be redirected back to your main home page for ELSA Speak. That is how you can easily delete ELSA Speak account using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.